Hi my friends, and welcome back to our structured text language courses. And as I say in previous lesson, today we will try to write a program to control the motor with self-holding relay, and also in some books it's called the launching or keep relay. And here we have some diagram which show the connection of our motors. And if you notice, we used only the digital input and digital output of our PLC. It's mean that all our tag names have the bool data types. And one notice for you is that the output K1 is connected to digital input board inside the motors. Maybe in your practice in your plant you will faced with this connection type. So let's start the programming of our motor and open our codices. And here we will create a new project. And SD, and let's start writing our programs. And firstly, my friends, we must check our drawings. Sorry, this one. And we have the 4 tags. It's S1, S2 and K1 and L1. All of them is a bool data type, and let's declare it in our codices. And let's start from here. Firstly is S1 and bool data type. Next is S2 and it's also bool data type, and next one is the K1 is also bool, and next one is the L1 and it's also bool. And let's firstly compile our project. We have one error, and what it say, at least one statement is a requirement. Okay, it's not a problem. And now let's write our logic. If S1, then K1 is true and L1 is true. And let's do it like this. K1 true and L1 true, and we close our if statement. And the next line is the if we must check the S2 switch, and we do it like this: if not S2, then K1 true and L1 sorry, not true, false. False. And L1 also false. And close our if statement. And my friends, why we use the if not for S2 and we use the if for S1? It's because the S2 is connected to normal close contact, you see here, and if we use the if statement, it's work not correctly. And in all your programs, when you apply the normal close contact to your PLC, you must use the closed contact for this, because when you start it, it will open and you need to close it or open it. So we use here is not, and it's mean if it's closed now, it's convert to false in our logic. And now let's apply the S1 is equal to true and check our program, project built and online login, and start our logic. Okay, but K1 is false. Why? Because we must also declare our S2 true and build again and login and run. Now all the truths, yes. And if we change it to false, it means that someone is opened our S2 contact. Let's do it like this and change it to false. And let's compile it again and run it and check what happened. Now you see that our K1 and L1 is false now, because this logic is not worked and this logic is executed. Let's check it again by applying the we cannot apply the breakpoint here. Why? Toggle breakpoint. Okay, we must build it and go to online and then apply our logic. This one and this one, and let's run and press F5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and firstly you see we go so this, but then this logic is executed. Press F5 and our variables is convert to false. So my friends, that's all for today, and I wish you all the best and I wish you good health, and you subscribe to our channel and click the like button if you enjoyed the video and it's useful for you, and see you in the next lesson.